Want to make your videos stand out with a stunning color-changing effect in Capcut? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to create it easily and make your edits look more professional. Click on Text. Add a default text. Type your text. Now you can change the text font to match your style. Resize your text and place it where you want on the screen. Move the playhead to the beginning of the text layer and create a keyframe. Move the playhead forward a little and create another keyframe. At this point, change the text color to your first color. Now move the playhead forward again. Take another keyframe and switch to a different color. Keep repeating this process. Add more keyframes and select different colors for each one. When you play the video, you'll see the text smoothly transition from one color to another, creating a dynamic color-changing effect that looks professional and fun. And that's how you create a smooth color-changing text effect in Capcut. Try it out to make your text pop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more Capcut tricks.